Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Orbit College 0. I don't like watching a game with Sundowns as an analyst because I get nothing from most of team now. Like Orbit College yesterday, there's no structure. Like in Jibaz Lalela, they don't even know what they are doing in the midfield. It just showed that they are not properly coached. Yeah, I have a coach, but they are not properly coached. There's no structure, no game plan. You know, abantu bayale nale kuvulekile phakathi nendawo. But as a Sundowns supporter, mina ngiba happy because I know ukuthi Sundowns is a win. The good thing about the Sundowns yesterday is they gave players who are not regulars ukuthi baqale game, and I saw why they are not regular because their final pass decision making ayikho mnandi, right? Ayikho mnandi. So what I'm going to be showing you is how Sundowns beyibavula phakathi nendawo i-Orbit because they are not structured. They played 4-4-1-1. You can't do that if you're not going to do a zonal marking. We know what Sundowns is going to have a ball position, so whenever you have to do zonal marking, tingiyeke ukukhuluma kakhulu. Okay, let me take it back kancane la. Take it back kancane. So now, Sundowns was playing a 4-2-3-1. These are the two middle fielders, and then the three. This is a winger. This is a winger. This is a winger. But Sundowns, their wingers, they don't stay wide. They come in and play as a half 10, and then they have one player playing as a 10. In this picture, it's Sales my sales. But these two, they always switch. Sometimes Uritako, you'll find him here. Sometimes Usales will go there. The problem about the Orbit, they are not structured. These midfielders, they are worried too much about these wingers. You'll see this one will go and press here, and this one is overlaid. There's no structure here. As well as press, it is what it is. You see, this guy, Upega Usales, he's looking at Usales. No communication here. You are not supposed to be marking a winger. Move here. Play zonally. A bad first touch from Usales. But again, what I always say, Buffett, don't lose the ball in the middle. As a team, you must not lose the ball in the middle. Because if we lose it, danger. Almost scored. Almost scored because firstly, midfield we are not organized. Asas guti senzan. Asas guti banamela makebani in yada, and then again we lose the ball in the middle. Kushabakor. There's a period where during the game, I think Ngabuma 15 minutes, it came here stop because one of the lights here clean. So some of you will say, the Orbit was destabilized because of that. Because after that, they considered the goal. For me, no. When you are a well-structured team, whether Unimvula, whether Earthquake or whatever, even if it came Yama, right? A good structured team will always have their structure. If it came Yama, the momentum is a change. We have to start again. But the Orbit is just not a well-structured team. Let me show you. I'll show you with your last ball. So the ball is on the left, left-hand side, the Sundowns. Remember I said, Guti, Sundowns players, they always move, Bayern pressure, okay, sharp. Now watch. After the lights came on, this guy was told to man mark Usales. You can't do that. When you when you're short in numbers in the midfield, you can't tell a player to man mark someone. You have to do his zonal marking. Then another midfielder is focused on who? On Matthews. Sharp. This is the winger, this is the left back. You'll watch, this guy will tell this one to move in here. He moves in there, but they play it. This one is alone. We won. This midfielder is not supposed to be here. If we move, he moves there. He moves there. Siya shifter as a team. We are 10, we won through pass. Almost scored because we are not a well-structured team. Asaz guti senzani midfield. Here's another clip. Watch this guy. Remember I told you Guti he must man mark him, ne? And then remember what I said, Guti. Most of the players that started, they are not regulars, and it's because their decision making in the final third is bad. So remember this guy and watch this guy as well. Upi Zulandela, Usales, ne? This one Uzala. Look at this guy. You can't be doing man marking. You can't. Segasele and this one Usele Futi. Now look at the space here. Usales is supposed to pass the ball. Pass the ball there. That's the reason why you are not a regular. It's because you make a decision are wrong. Wrong. Woman. Hey. Another example. But let me play this one and then we sell a move. Poor decision making. Poor decision making from Sundowns. Ulitlak. Remember what I said, Uguti? This guy, Bamchel Guta focus is too much. Because you have to shift. You have to shift. Forget about Ulontuzan. Forget about Usales. This guy is supposed to come in here. You close down the space. Upe Usales Gutuenzan. But there's a man here. Lo Uzala. Now space. Why need to poor decision? Tap the ball. Uele. Attack. Yeah, good idea, but you're supposed to attack. Run with the ball. Lento bengikhuluma ngayo ukuthi he's supposed to run with the ball. Uzoyibona la. Look at Matthews all alone. Usales being man marked. Lo Uzala. Look at this space. This guy is a midfielder. He's supposed to be here. Forget about Usales. Now watch what he does. He goes, he runs with the ball into the space. Yes. Poor decision making. Shoot. Yabona abo Obiti bazele nje. Bazele nice time. I'm sorry to say this, guys, but the coaching eyenzekala lapha ku Obiti is very poor. For a professional team, they can't press, they can't do basic things. You can't press like this. You can't press like you can't. What is that? And then watch. If Lo Umakelo, then this one must come here because the ball is going to the left, right? Sundowns left. You can't expect this guy, Ayo Makala, Abuyazo Makala. You are supposed to come here. What is he doing? Now, he's all alone. Then this midfielder, usa focus Usales namanje. Oh, Jehovah. Bafethu. No coaching whatsoever. Bana. Sugar. Here's another clip of Obit pressing. Yo, ba press nama. You, Bafethu. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sundowns players. 1, 2, 3. You are not going to get the ball. You are not going to get the ball ngabantu abayi 3 or nabayi 4. There's no way that you're going to get the ball. Sharp. Now, this is a middle fielder. Go and press. As pressing. The purpose is we are pressing, right? We are pressing. The purpose is to win the ball in their half. So akumelanga kube nomuntu ozothola ispace. Akumelanga kube nomuntu ozothola ispace because baphumile because wenzani? You are ball watching. You're not pressing. You are worried about emuva. And then remember I said again ukuthi the final pass Sundowns was poor. Okay, let's give credit to the defender there. Let's give credit to the defender. Sundowns scored a goal because of pressing from Usales. Let's look at the goal and then CP in the foot. See back ukuthi what really happened. The goalkeeper could have done better. Keeper's ball. Iskati, siyakushaya. Okay, what are you doing? Let me stop it here. Okay, let me play it. Nice work from Musales, but now, sharp. I stop the ball here, right? Why do you want to put the ball down? Firstly, why do you want to put the ball down? Why? Because there's someone here, there's someone here. So the moment uzol bega pants, bazok press. Okay, sharp. Number 2, there's 2 players here. You could have passed them the ball. Throw the ball. You could have thrown the ball to one of these 2. But now, this one is telling the keeper, Kahlela Pambi, there's 2 of you here. There's even if begal passile la on the ground, begal pass. There's 2 players here. You decide to do what? Funugul kahlele moyeni, and then again, the ball is on your side. It's not on Saleh's side. Why ungalshayi ngapha? Or hold the ball. There's a better angle la. There's a better angle. What were you doing? This is the 2 enkhuluma ngayo la. You could have passed the ball. Pass the ball here. Okay, ibola liguphi liya ngapha emapalini. Wena, what do you decide to do? Ulibuyisela la. Poor decision making, man. Keeper. Second half, guys. The way that this game was so easy, Sundowns second half decided to play the game without a right back or a natural right back. It was so easy. The Sundowns here last year or last season or namanje, it's still the same. They still play the same formation, same scripted plays or scripted movement. Nothing has changed, guys. Now, keeper. No, keeper, there's something, maybe Shawai pace of the game. I don't know what's wrong. Because you set yourself up. This ball, you could have hit it first time. Set yourself up. Because this suga good, but what do you decide to do? Why do you want 3 touches for what? 3 touches. You trap with your left, then you put it with eish mar eish nesizulu size siyabaleka man. Hey, uyalungisa first touch second why pass here ke pass there keeper wena tlorijisa. There's something that I want to show you before it goal le Sundowns, right? LS2. The bad defending Obid. Okay, let me not say bad defending. Maybe I can say the bad structure sabo, defensive structure. Watch la move la. Okay, let me take it back. So this is the new guy, ne? Focus on him as well. His movement off the ball or in the box. Ball goes wide. La, had he crossed the ball first time, he was free. You have two guys abangamakwanga la. So this is a center back ufocus la uyekela striker. Okay, ball goes back. Siakali strike. But this is always dangerous when you have someone omude as a striker and then ayagu left back or ayagu right back emfishane. It is a problem because if mina ngimude kunawe or vice versa, mabalidlala phezulu ibhola, you are going to win it or I'm going to win it. The person who's taller in most cases, right? The ball goes back, it's still two Sundowns players here unmarked. Yes, previously Lobegala, you know, but this guy is ball watching. Let me take it back. The left back is ball watching. Liaphambili ball watching. That was a bad cross. 30 seconds later, here comes the goal. Seconds later, here comes the goal. You can't have umuntu omfishane ama kumuntu omude. You are going to cry. Good cross, good header. But Obid nje mara shame bafethu. Obid nje mara la. No, this guy can jump. This guy can jump. Last clip, bafethu. Last clip. You can't press like bafethu. Kisono marez. Kisono. Just watch how Sundowns plays easily. This guy begala phaya waya la wabuya sekaza la ibhola libuyele emuva. Watch this guy not helping, ball watching. Beautiful pass. Could have done better. Should have scored kahle kahle. I don't think i-league izowiniwa ngama goals, right? So you're not going to have a situation where i-Sundowns ina 70 points, i-Pirates ina 70 points, and then i-league izodecide ngama goals. No. But the difference yama goals, it plays a huge role, right? Because the last 2 games or 3 games, if you don't have a huge goal difference, huge margin, you know, it puts you under pressure. So in this game, Sundowns maybe got about 4 because you don't know what's going to happen. But thank you for watching, bafethu. Please like, please subscribe. By subscribing or by liking, you are helping the channel to grow. I know some of you siphuma kude, but the channel is not doing well at the moment. Struggling nyana. So please like, bafethu, please share. Nyabonga. Thank you for watching.